Hey there! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, the go-to place for all things tech and innovation. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's been buzzing around the internet: making money online with AI. Yes, you heard it right. Stick around because we're about to unlock the secrets to turn your computer into a cash-generating powerhouse. And let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our cutting-edge content. Understanding the AI landscape. Number 1. What is AI? First things first, let's break down the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the revolutionary technology that simulates human intelligence in machines. It's like giving your computer a brain. Number 2. Why AI matters for online money-making. Artificial intelligence, AI, holds profound significance in the realm of online money-making, transforming the digital landscape and redefining the way businesses operate. The game-changing nature of AI lies in its ability to analyze vast volumes of data swiftly and accurately, extracting meaningful insights that human analysis might miss. This analytical prowess enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, identify emerging trends, and optimize strategies for maximum efficiency. In the competitive arena of online entrepreneurship, AI acts as a strategic ally, offering a predictive edge that can lead to more informed choices in product development, marketing campaigns, and customer engagement. Furthermore, AI's impact on automation is a key factor in its relevance to online money-making endeavors. By automating routine and repetitive tasks, AI allows entrepreneurs and businesses to streamline their operations, freeing up valuable time and resources. Whether it's managing customer interactions, processing transactions, or handling data entry, AI-driven automation enhances productivity and enables a focus on more strategic aspects of business growth. In essence, AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for innovation, providing a competitive advantage that empowers online ventures to thrive in an ever-evolving digital economy. Strategies for making money with AI. Number 1. AI-powered e-commerce. Diving into the future of online retail, AI-powered e-commerce is not just a trend, it's a revolution that's reshaping the way we shop and sell. Imagine this: your very own virtual assistant working around the clock, understanding customer preferences, recommending products, and even fine-tuning pricing strategies. It's like having a 24/7 sales guru dedicated to maximizing your business success. AI doesn't just enhance the customer experience, it transforms the entire e-commerce landscape. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI tailors recommendations to individual preferences, creating a personalized shopping journey. And that's not all. Dynamic pricing algorithms ensure that your products are competitively priced in real time, giving you the edge in the market. In the era of AI-powered e-commerce, businesses not only meet customer expectations, but exceed them, fostering brand loyalty and driving revenue growth. Number 2. Freelancing with AI skills. Now, let's shift gears and explore how AI is empowering freelancers across various creative fields. Whether you're a graphic designer, a wordsmith, or a coding maestro, AI tools are here to supercharge your skills and elevate your freelancing game. It's not just about staying competitive, it's about thriving in the digital age. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that can generate design concepts, analyze market trends for your writing niche, or even automate routine coding tasks. Freelancers are tapping into the potential of AI to boost productivity, allowing them to focus on what they do best, their craft. From content creation to project management, AI is the secret weapon that freelancers leverage to land high-paying gigs and stand out in a crowded market. In the world of freelancing, where efficiency and creativity collide, AI is not just a tool, it's a creative ally that opens doors to new possibilities. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the ways freelancers are embracing AI to redefine success in the digital freelancing landscape. Step-by-step guide. Number 1. Getting started. All right, buckle up because we're about to embark on your journey into the exciting world of making money online with AI. I'm here to guide you through the nitty-gritty details, so let's get our hands dirty and dive in. First things first, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of getting started with AI. Choosing the right tools is crucial, and I've got the insider knowledge to help you make the best decisions. Whether you're a tech whiz or a complete beginner, fear not. We've got you covered. From setting up your workspace to launching your first AI project, consider this your comprehensive roadmap to online success. By the end of this segment, you'll not only understand the fundamentals of AI, but also have the practical know-how to kickstart your own money-making ventures. So grab your notepads and let's make some digital magic together. Number 2. Avoiding common pitfalls. Now, before you take the plunge into the world of AI-driven success, there are some cautionary tales we need to discuss. Hold on tight, because we're going to ensure you're on the path to triumph by steering clear of common pitfalls that can trip you up along the way. It's not just about the successes, it's about avoiding setbacks that can hinder your progress. From overestimating AI capabilities to neglecting data security, we'll cover the pitfalls that even seasoned entrepreneurs can fall into. By the end of this segment, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to navigate the AI landscape safely. So whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned pro, this advice will be your compass, guiding you toward success in the world of making money online with AI. Stay tuned, and let's build a future where your ventures thrive without stumbling on the common pitfalls that might lie ahead. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to making money online with AI. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, incorporating AI into your online ventures can be a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep innovating and stay tech savvy.